Hello friends, this is episode 3 of the Snap Circuit series. In this episode, I'll be showing you how to control sound using a resistor. In this project, we are going to use the speaker, the voice box, the whistle chip. If you want to know the function of a whistle chip, you can watch my previous video. This is the slide switch. We have a 2 snap wire, a 3 snap wire, a 5 snap wire and a 6 snap wire. This is the power out input. Now let's hear the normal sound. So this is the normal sound. Now this 3 snap wire is the direct connection between the speaker and the voice box, the sound box. So now I am going to add in my resistor over here and switch it on. As you can see, the sound is very faint. Now, to know the function of a resistor, stick around and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.